they basically told my friend Steve that the Irvine, California Woodbridge community wipes their butts with his YouTube channel, the Dude's Digest. So that's why it's very sad, and I had to make this video. But you know, anyway, guys. So if you guys want to join me again, I will be doing this every morning on the TikTok because we have awesome people here on the TikTok. And so I will be doing the usual things that I do every day. I will be discussing and continuing on my work from YouTube on here on the TikTok. We'll have all the usual suspects, all the different books that I work on. Some about recruiting, some about martial arts. If you guys haven't bought this book, it is really cool. It is about martial arts. Nobody really knows. Tom Wong, my Sifu, he talks about Wing Chun, the real Wing Chun, the Ome Wing Chun that was created by a woman. You guys can learn all about it on here. The real Wing Chun was created by a woman, not a man. And it was this version of this lineage of the Wing Chun from Grandmaster Tom Wong is from Yen Kai-san and from Sum Nung, his teacher before Grandmaster Tom Wong. Anyway, there's very few real Wing Chun masters left, and he is one of the few. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate you guys showing up here and doing the amazing things that you're doing. Again, I have never done a live stream ever in my life where I got 46 likes ever. Why? Because I've been doing most of the live streams on YouTube, which is a platform of death, which has been treating me as an American citizen as if I was an MS-13 individual. And I don't think that's fair, but you know, bullying, as I said before, is what it is. I've been used to it because I've been on social media forever, but I don't think that it's cool that they messed around with my friend Steve, so I am on a strike here on YouTube because they killed this channel here, the Dude's Digest. For no reason at all. YouTube is that mean to people. Yo, what's up? Craig Pfeiffer, thank you for joining the live chat today. So anyway, that is what is going on today, which is why I am off of YouTube, is because YouTube bullied my friend Steve, and that's not cool, and that is really the worst that YouTube has done. It's getting so bad on YouTube that it is getting close to as bad as it was on Twitter. So with that, I say goodbye. Just making sure that I get that on the live over there on YouTube, because today I brought this camera here. Usually I am at the center